my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a very special Mother's Day Bolzano bag. So this is how it comes. So we're gonna start here. I'm gonna take it out of the bag and then I'm gonna show you. I am so excited to share with you about this. Leilani sent me an email telling me about this and told me she was sending it my way so that I could let you know about it, and I was so excited. so excited. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful. Okay, now this is designed to be a gift for Mother's Day. Any mother that you want, maybe it's your aunt, your sister, your cousin, your friend, your neighbor, your girlfriend, your anything, it doesn't matter. Anybody who you think would enjoy this gift for Mother's Day, this is for them. This is something you can choose. A beautiful presentation. They will love it. It will come just like this, ready to go. Absolutely love it. Okay, before we get into this, let me tell you what makes this one so special. So this is a very special Mother's Day edition subscription. It's $43.95 a month, and with that, not only do you get the handbag, but you also get the jewelry and the cosmetics subscription service. So all three of them will come in this bag. And if you order 3 months, if you order the full start with 3 months, you will also get a free wallet. Okay, now how you do that is you will put in the search field on the website. Actually, I'm gonna scooch over here just a little bit so I can split the screen and show you right over here. So you will put in the search field free wallet. The wallet will come up and then you will put it in your cart, and that is how you will have your free gift. So that is awesome. And the free gift, the free wallet, is a leather wallet. So it's very, very nice. So I'm very excited about that. That's awesome. All right. Lastly, let's get into this, shall we? So, like I said, this is how it will come. $43.95 per month, 3, 6, or 12 months, however you want to do it. Okay, I don't want to mess it up, but I'm so excited to see what's in here. I can't wait to see what's in here. I love my Bolzano bags. Love them. I have mine, oh, it's in my bedroom, but I have my purse that I'm carrying now. I'll pop up in an iCard that video. I love it. And in that video, I'll also show you a black one that I carry all the time. I have a burgundy one that I travel with. It's great. Okay, so on here it says Happy Mother's Day. Just for you, a special gift that brings a smile and reminds you how special you are each month. Bolzano. And then it's, oh, that's the cat. Sorry, it's got information on the back. And you can save this. It's so pretty. Alrighty. Oh, there is so much stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Let's start with the bag. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take all the plastic off of it. 1 second. That is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. The silver hardware, look. It flips, twists, and opens, and then inside is your Bolzano paper. Let's pull that out. Oh, okay, it's your strap. Let me pull this out 1 second. I'm about to have cats invading me over here. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so you have an outside pocket with a button, a snap on it. Awesome, magnetic snap. And then in here is your full bag. You have a zipper pocket right here. That's nice. So a zipper pocket, and you have 2 slide pockets right here. This bag is beautiful, and the feet for the bottom of the bag to keep it off the floor when you have to set it on the floor. Oh, I love this. And you have your strap right here. Oh my goodness, I really, really love this. So nice little 3/4 elbow bag like this. Fantastic. Or if you want, there's a strap to make it a full crossbody or a shoulder strap. Love it. Let me go let my cat out. I missed this. So I'm inserting it in here very quickly. It might be a little odd to place it here, but that's what I'm doing. Came with a cute little scroll in the bag. Let's see what this says. Oh, it tells you all about the subscription and about your bag. Oh, I'm signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. To kick off your membership, we have chosen our Beatrice top handle especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $139. Beatrice is brand new for spring and not yet available to purchase online. It's a member exclusive. It comes in baby pink, army green, brown, and of course black. What we love about this bag: shallow, spacious design allows you to quickly view its contents, quick, easy access, open back pocket, sleek turn lock, multiple internal compartments, crossbody strap, great hands-free bag. Indeed. There you go. So it tells your gift recipient all about the bag. That's awesome. Okay, now back to showing you the bag. Okay, in addition to the bag, there is more in this. There is a ton more in this. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's this. Something very pretty in a Bolzano bag. Your superhero cape has to be stylish. I love that. This bag is great. Oh, you can take this traveling. Oh, there's a beautiful scarf in here. Oh, look, that's so pretty. Oh, this would look beautiful on the bag. Oh, look at those colors. Oh, that's gorgeous. All right, let's see. You tie this right onto the bag. Wrap it around. And then bring it down and give it a tie. I mean, you would do it better than me. I'm rushing through this here. But tie it onto your bag. Nice, beautiful accessory. It matches perfectly. I love it. Oh, that's awesome. I'm just getting into the purse and scarf trend with the scarf is on the handbag. Okay, next is the makeup. Oh my goodness. All right, so this says, if moms were flowers, I'd pick you. That's awesome. All right, wow, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, so you get the great little gift, the great little bag like this. Great bag to put in your purse for your makeup or whatever. Oh, the jewelry's also in here. Okay, so you get this. This is silicone socks. The foot sole is usually ignored, closely related to the season. The skin becomes harder, thicker, and dry. Yes. Foot sock not only keep moisture, but also have a great antimicrobial effect. Enjoy soft and beautiful skin. So you soak your feet, you put the little silicone socks on with a hand cream or a cream. Wear them for 30-40 minutes and pull them off and give an easy massage. It can be reused after cleaning and washing. That is awesome. Oh, that's really cool. Mom will like that, I'm telling you. That's awesome. All right, so that's in there. Oh, a nice little, oh, and it's plastic, so it won't break. It's got a protective film on it that you would peel off, but a mirror, that's awesome. For your purse, I love that it's plastic. Seriously, because it won't break. Body butter by The Body Shop. Body butter looks like to be a, I don't know what scent this is. Let's see. It looks just a flower or vanilla. Oh, some sort of flower. It smells amazing. Use this on your feet with your new little socks. Excellent. And L'Oreal New Magnitude BB Concealer. Anti-dark circles, anti-eye bags. Color Osmos. Oh, okay. All right. So it's a concealer. Like a concealer and serum all in one. Nice. Oh, I'm happy to try that. There you go. So a nice little concealer in there. That's amazing. So in my monthly subscription from Bolzano, they always send me the jewelry part as well, the accessories part, and I love it. This right here, this necklace I have on right here, is the one I received last month, and I've been wearing it a lot. It has matching earrings as well. Oh, okay, you deserve to shine. Oh, this is lovely. This is the jewelry gift that comes in there. Aw, all right, let's see. Oh, look. It's a little belt buckle style bracelet that says Mom. That's so cute. All right, let me slip that on very quickly. Hold on. I really like this. I like that it's adjustable because my wrists are, oh, and the mom slides. Oh, that's so cute. It has the little gold ring in the middle. That's adorable. But it has rubber stoppers on it so that it doesn't slide all the way off. I put it on upside down, but you get the idea. This is really pretty. Oh, I really like that. I like that it's adjustable to fit all different wrists. Oh, I really like that. That is so nice. And then this is a necklace. All right, here. Oh, how cute. Oh, it's a little gold, silver, excuse me, silver. It's a ring that hangs off. Let's see. There you go. It's just, and it says mom on it. It's a necklace. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, and in my case, I could actually wear it as a ring if I wanted to. So if you wanted to just wear it as a ring, you could. Oh, that is so pretty. I really like that. Okay. So there you go. Oh, I already have this one on. I really, really like that. Oh, what a great, great gift. Look at all the things that you get. I mean, that's just amazing for $43.95. That's amazing. And every month she will get something like this. Every month. So for 3 months, 6 months, a year, however long you choose, she will get a wonderful gift every month. Oh, wouldn't that be great? She wouldn't even know. Like, she wouldn't know that she was getting it for that long. Oh, and every month she gets a nice surprise. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Leilani and Bolzano, for sending this to me and giving me the opportunity to show this on the channel. This is amazing. I think this is a fantastic gift for Mother's Day, especially if you have the mother who is hard to buy for. My kids always say I'm hard to buy for. So this is an excellent, excellent gift. And it keeps on giving. I mean, it's for as long as you want. You can set this up and surprise her every month. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Oh, that would be amazing. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll check out Bolzano. I'll leave everything in the description box. Everything you need to know is there. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.